Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso.
Good afternoon to you. After getting a little bit of a break from the rain this morning, more of it is on the way for us, and we're already seeing it move in this afternoon. On our radar right now, it's looking to be a light rain, but don't think our heavy rain event and flooding event is over for us. We still have another 48 hours left in our event. Right now, temperatures are sitting for the most part in the upper 40s to lower 50s. We had a cold front that pushed through earlier this morning, which is why we're seeing the overcast skies and, unfortunately, the light rain moving back in. Now, flash flood watches remain in effect for areas south of Highway 82 through Thursday morning, while areas north of Highway 82 remain under aerial flood watches. And all of these thin little green lines you see there, those are river flood warnings, and we have been getting calls from viewers all morning long noticing that the water levels have been rising. So here are a few of them. Of course, the big one is the Stennis Lock and Dam in Columbus. It's expected to crest tomorrow at 162.4 feet. And I know our friend William over in Macon, he was asking about the Noxubee River stages a little earlier this morning. It's looking to crest tomorrow as well at 33.6 feet. So definitely you'll need to move to higher ground if you live near these rivers, dams, creeks, streams, and rivers, as they're expected to rise at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. And we're going to be tracking these rain chances to continue through tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures by tomorrow morning will be in the upper 40s to lower 50s as our winds will start switching up to the southeast as a warm front will be lifting back up to our area. That's going to be the trigger for our severe weather event come Wednesday. In terms of rainfall amounts, additional rainfall amounts, we could get an additional 1 to 2 inches, and this is kind of like adding salt to the wound, as we have already been receiving reports of anywhere between 4 to 6 inches of rain across the WCBI viewing area since the event began late Sunday night and to yesterday. In terms of our severe weather risk, we're under a level 2 threat of severe weather for our Wednesday. Still heavy rain, flooding remain the main concern behind it. Some damaging strong winds. The tornado threat, it's pretty low right now, but we can't rule out an isolated chance for it. So here's the breakdown. We have our cold front to our south. We'll have the overcast cloudy skies and the light rain throughout the evening into the overnight hours. This warm front will start lifting up to our north on Wednesday. That's going to allow temperatures to warm up into the lower 70s by Wednesday, and then we're going to see this cold front move in from the west. Look at this line of strong to severe storms that will develop. We call this a squall line, and this is something that we'll have to watch tomorrow evening into the overnight hours. Of course, Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson will have the latest coming up this evening, so keep it tuned to WCBI for the latest. Quiet, calmer, cooler conditions by Friday into the weekend before our active weather pattern picks up next week. We'll be right back after this.